Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I wanted to show you a bundle of vintage wrapping paper. They're the sheets that you can buy, and I'm not sure if you can even buy them in sheets anymore. I don't think you can. Most of them are on rolls, but this was from a rummage sale that I went to with my friend Tara. Hi Tara. And it was all wrapped together for $2. And just a ton in here. Now some of it I'm not going to use, but a lot of it I am, and I'll use them in my junk journals. But I just wanted to kind of go through all of them. I was going to do a whole haul of everything that I found, but there's so much in this, right in this bundle, that I just wanted to make this a separate video. Anyway, let's go through it. So there's this really pretty flower pattern. This one, I don't know, I could probably use this for like Rainbow Bright. It is like a bow pattern, like the wrapping bow pattern. And then here is a birthday. And I'll probably use some of this even for just wrapping presents, what it's meant for. This I thought was super adorable. It's kind of like a Holly Hobbies almost, I'm not sure. It's really cute. And then here's a rabbit print, or an Easter print. Perfect for spring journals. Another rabbit spring print. This one I probably won't keep, but it is, or I'll put it with my floral botanical journal supplies. And then here's one that can be used for a wedding. This is music paper. Probably won't keep this. It's just really bright. Same with this. It's just kind of bright for journals, but you know, that's my choice. And I'll probably keep this for just wrapping presents. Another birthday. This is fun. Yeah, I'll just save that for wrapping presents. And then here's baby. I can use that for baby journals. I haven't made any baby journals yet, but I'm sure I will at some point. And here's some birthday paper. I also haven't made birthday journals either, but that would be a fun journal to make. This one I thought was really cute. These are teddy bears, and I have made teddy bear journals but in the past. It's been a long time, but I know I made a custom one. So that's really cute, and that's just another one of those. And then here's another teddy bear paper. Really cute. And then we have Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. That's really cute. And here is a snow themed one. I actually have some of this from that I'd found before. That's really cute. And then this is like just a painted pattern, gold with like a marbly themed one. Not sure what I'll use that for. This one I probably won't keep. Oh, this was kind of cool. It's just a navy blue pattern. With gold. And then here's another, this is like a wedding anniversary, silver anniversary paper. And then birds, if I do like a bird theme journal, or you know, wild animals or something like that. And then here are like Africa. There's lions and elephants. even like a zoo or wild animal journal, jungle. Pretty cool. And then here's a duck pattern. That's really cute. Another, this one is a Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, and it has a dog and a goose. Or is that a goose? A bird of some sort. Sailboat, farm. Probably, I have made Father's Day journals before, and I actually have some listed in my Etsy shop if you're interested. And then here is a Mickey Mouse one. Looks like that. And another Mickey Mouse and Pluto and Minnie. And the last little bundle are Sesame Street, which are really cute. So there's 4 different patterns in this one. That one, and then these are Christmas, of course. So I can use these on a Christmas Sesame Street journal, or just use them for wrapping for if I have any. I have lots of babies, or lots of friends that have babies, daughter's friends that have babies, so my daughter does not have one yet, but I know she will probably in the future. So yeah, that is what I found. So I thought maybe you guys would want to see those. And it would have been too much to have these all in another haul video, so the rest of this stuff I will do in a different haul video. So yeah, that was this haul for this week, or a couple weeks. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.